for embarrass yourself. Tell her, you know. Go actually come and do something. Yeah, one of them act what the start about swear me there actually try something. But that's a waste my time.
But
Come out of the chair.
It never deceive is supposed to last a lot, but it just for correct. So I just there style me youth.
You love style me. That are you love style me.
Yeah, hey, ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling.
Oh yeah. Welcome back. And this is Twins. Should have my cigar, brother. You need that. Got to set up your seat. Can't fuck up your seat. So when I do them vlog style setup here, you need everything. Light, sound, aesthetics, background. You need one cigar in your mouth or a drink in your hand, you see me? I'll tell the people what I talk about today. Alright. Another video here. Where I rate Instagram models / celebrities. You see me, so just sit back and just go and drink up on a tea and on a thirsty and just enjoy the video. You see it? This is a sound test. This will be a sound test, you see it? Brother, where you ball about your phone for your phone, you know you? I think your phone is a good bad man. Oh, tada, oh, aye, bumbo. Man drop this for my foot there, actually. Man conk me on my foot, so where your phone there? Hey, little boy.
Deaf?
Brother, that song is a big copyright. It not play though. I'm calling phone. One big copyright. I'm going to call a youth phone because I'm going to call it him and go catch a tantrum. You see, I don't want him to catch one tantrum. Yeah, I need my phone. People. Guys. I need my phone, guys. You sit down on my phone the whole time. Phone stuck right in the chair. You like a boy. Fuck up. Yes, Miss Jen. I'm still a thief. Still here committing criminal activities. Man, low feet out. Lo-fi. Low-fi fruits. Bumbacla, bro. I'm fuck up a low-fi. Bro. I'm fuck up. Upon a low-fi now. I'm gonna put y'all niggas on a song. Low-fi there. Dog. Who that? Champion. Bumbacla. Can't look on this, brother. I gotta show them. Do it. Show the followers and all upon. No, I can't let you show them that type of thing. It's not. This type of content is not can't allow you all to see that. Looks too good, bro. Oh, my love you there. And I can hear anyone if I could, it would be great with the pictures on the wall. My studio, and it's all too bad. What are you doing, Michelle? Blue Melchella. She's pretty, but sexy too. I give that 8.5 out of 10. Out of 10. With a 10. And even if it's alright, peoples. The first girl alright, that's her. She's a Jamaican YouTuber. Is it? I got rate her. You see me? Out of 10. Her body look good still, man, I lie. You come here for sing. I that you there for do.
I don't know. What do you think this was just a
Kind of the shoot the video the kind of do. Anyway, stop that. Hold on, man. Something. Man, catch a sound in there. Shut up. Bangkai. Embarrass yourself. Tell her, go actually come and do something. You there for practice.
She can't get enough. I don't wanna fall in love. I'm only trying to promise.
Yeah, one of them act with the start about swear.
Yeah, talk about
me there actually I try. But that's a waste my time.
But
Come out of the chair.
They even for sit right in that video. It never they see if it's supposed to last a lot, but he just for correct so and just there style me youth. Regular style lot.
You love style me. That are you love style me. See this? See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hey, ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling